For 8259 programming, PIC requires two types of command words. First, initialization command words, in short ICW, and second, operational command words, in short OCW. PIC, that is Programmable Interrupt Controller, is programmed with total 4 ICWs and 3 OCWs. There are total 4 initialization command words, out of which 2 are mandatory, whereas 2 are optional. When 8259 works in cascaded mode, ICW3 get read by microprocessor. ICW1 is read in order to decide whether ICW4 is needed or not. If it is needed, then only microprocessor reads this ICW4. This is the initialization command word 1 of Programmable Interrupt Controller, in short PIC 8259. D0 to D7 data bits work in association with A0 so that this initialization command word 1 can be decoded. This D0 bit of ICW1 indicates whether ICW4 is required or not. When it is 1, ICW4 get read by microprocessor, whereas when it is 0, this ICW4 get ignored by microprocessor. When D1 bit is set to 1, it informs that micro 8259 works alone in a system. When it is 0, 8259 works in cascaded mode so that more than 8 interrupts can be handled. D2 bit informs about address interval. When it is 1, interrupts are 4 bytes spaced. When it is 0, the interrupts are 8 bytes spaced. D3 bit informs about whether 8259 responds to the input at the level or at the edge. So when it is 1, 8259 works in level triggered mode. When it is 0, 8259 works in edge triggered mode, and for that it always looks for the edge of clock cycle. In case of initialization command word 1, A0 is 0 and D4 is always 1. D5, D6, D7, these bits are used to get A5 to A7 address bits from interrupt vector address. When microprocessor is 8085, the 8259 is trying to communicate. Now we will see this D2 bit of initialization command word in detail. When all the interrupts are 4 bytes spaced, IR0 line is going to handle the interrupt requests of type 0, 8, 16, 24, 32 and so on, for which A0 to A4 5 bits are same, all zeros. IR1 line is used to receive the request from the interrupt type 1, type 9, 17, 25, 33 and so on, for which lower 5 bytes are 00100. IR2 interrupt request line is going to receive the interrupt requests for interrupts type 2, type 10, type 18, type 26, type 39 and so on, for which lower 5 bits are 01000. Same way, the IR7 line is used to receive interrupt requests from the interrupts of type 7, type 15, type 23, type 31 and so on, for which Lower interrupt bits are 111000. So all these interrupts are from IR0 for type 0, type 8, type 16, 24, 32. These lower 5 bits are fixed, that is 00000, but these are differing in their A5, A6, A7 bits. When the interrupts are 8 bytes spaced, IR0 line is used to receive the interrupt requests of interrupt type 0, 8, 16, 24, for which these lower 6 bits are same 000000, and all these interrupt types are differing in their A6 and A7 bits. Same way, IR7 line is used for receiving the interrupt of type 7, 15, 23, 31. All these are having lower 6 bits 111000 and differing in their A6, A7 address bits. This is the initialization command word 2 of Programmable Interrupt Controller PIC 8259. When 8259 is interfaced with microprocessor 8085, these D0 to D7 data bits are providing the higher byte of interrupt vector address, and when this 8259 is interfaced with 8086 microprocessor, this D3 to D7, these data bits are providing T7 to T3 address of interrupt vector address. D2, D1, D0, these bits are 000 when the interrupt request is received on IR0 line of 8259. This D2, D1, D0 bits are 001 when the interrupt request is received on IR1 line of 8259. Same way, D2, D1, D0 are 111 corresponding to the interrupt request received on IR7 line. This is the initialization command word 3 of Programmable Interrupt Controller, in short PIC 8259. For master 8259, initialization command word 3 is programmed to inform whether slaves are connected to the master or not. If slave 0 is connected to the master 8259 through IR0 line, then the respective D0 bit gets set to 1. If slave 1 is connected to the 8259 through IR1 line of master device, then the respective D1 bit gets set to 1. When the bit is 0, it indicates that that IR input do not have any slave. In case of slave device, ICW3 is written to provide identification number to the slave. At maximum, 8 slaves can be cascaded with master 8259. Log 8 base to the 2 is equal to 3. So 3 bits are sufficient to provide IDs or identification numbers to the slave, so which ranges from 000 to 111. D2, D1, D0, these bits are used to provide the slave ID. So for slave device, initialization command word 3 consisting of lower 3 bits as identification bits. D3 to D7, these bits are set to 0 and A0 is 1. This is the initialization command word 4 of Programmable Interrupt Controller PIC 8259. D0 bit informs about the microprocessor this 8259 is interfaced with. When it is 1, 8259 is interfaced with 8086 microprocessor. When it is 0, it informs that 8259 is interfaced with 8085 microprocessor. D1 bit indicates the type of end of interrupt command. There are two types of end of interrupt command. First is automatic end of interrupt and second one is normal end of interrupt. With automatic end of interrupt signal, 8259 reset the bit from in-service register on trailing edge of third interrupt acknowledgement signal. In case of normal end of interrupt with specific command, the bit which is to be reset from in-service register is mentioned in command itself. With non-specific end of interrupt command, 8259 looks for higher bit which represent lower prioritized interrupt that get reset from in-service register, which indicates that interrupt service routine is completed. D2 bit works in association with D3 bit in order to identify the buffered or non-buffered mode of 8259. When D3 bit is 0, irrespective of D2 bit, the non-buffered mode get recognized. When D3 bit is 1 and D2 is 0, it indicates the buffered mode of slave. D3-D2-11 combination indicates the buffered mode of master 8259. Then D4 bit is used to get whether 8259 is working in special fully nested mode or not. When it is set to 1, 8259 is working in special fully nested mode. When it is 0, 8259 is not working in special fully nested mode. For initialization command word 4, D5, D6, D7, these bits are always 0 and A0 is always 1.